Brazil. And Brazil, if you are watching this video on YouTube today, I'd appreciate if you would, one, click that subscribe button. Two, click on the like button underneath the video. And three, click on that share button. Share the video today with your families and friends on Facebook and Twitter. Okay? Let's go far up to report for, we've already uploaded the data and uploaded and verified the data. So you can see here that currently Brazil has, again, we're using a 365-day rolling window. So this means we look at the most recent 365 days worth of data. So what we can see here is for the 360, for the most recent 365-day data, Brazil has 17.67 million cases, 400,044 deaths. You can see the good news is they escaped the January trap of having more cases in January than you had in all 2021. Deaths are still relatively low. This line here, by the way, would be 50,000, so it's below maybe 20 to 25,000 deaths so far for Brazil. And you can see here that if we zoom in here on the daily numbers, that that as of February the 15th, Brazil had 125,201 cases, with an average of 147,550 cases. If we look at this, you can see that in many ways, the proportion of deaths, okay, was much less for the Omicron variant than it was for the previous variant. Okay. Nonetheless, you can see there is an increase in cases or increase in deaths in Brazil. 925 deaths as of on February 15th, with an average of 831 deaths per day for Brazil. Weekly cases. Weekly. Now look at the difference between these cases here and these deaths, and Omicron cases and Omicron deaths. And that was basically the word on the street that Omicron, while it was very infectious, it was not nearly as deadly as the previous variants. But again, you can see the cases for February are the second most cases out of the previous 12 months. Okay, deaths deaths are up a little bit, probably about the previous 4 months, but still well below the spikes back in April and May. So that concludes the report for Brazil for today. Thanks so much for stopping by.